In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and download your Loom recordings efficiently. If you're someone who uses Loom frequently for creating videos, you'll find this guide particularly helpful. The great thing about Loom is its seamless process. As soon as you finish recording, whether you're using the Chrome extension or the desktop application, your video is automatically saved and uploaded to your Loom account. This ensures that your content is secure and accessible from anywhere. After clicking the Stop button, Loom immediately takes over, completing the upload of your video to your account. In addition to that, it also copies a shareable link directly to your clipboard. This link provides easy access to your viewers or collaborators without any extra effort from your end. There's no need for manual saving, which simplifies the entire experience and lets you focus on your content. Now, if you're looking to download your Loom recording directly to your device for offline access or for archiving purposes, I'll guide you through the process. Begin by opening Loom, either on the web or via your desktop application, and head straight to your video library. This is where all your recorded and uploaded videos are stored neatly. Once in the video library, scroll through your collection and find the specific video you want to download. After selecting it, the video will open up in a new window. Below the video player, locate the three-dot menu, commonly referred to as More Options. This menu houses various features and settings that you might find useful. From the menu, you'll see an option labeled Download Video. Go ahead and select this option. In certain cases, Loom might prompt you to choose your preferred video quality. This is a nice feature as it allows you to balance between file size and clarity, depending on your need. Opt for the quality setting that works best for your purposes. After making your selection, the download will initiate automatically. You'll see a notification or a progress bar that indicates the downloading status. Once completed, the file will be stored on your computer, typically in your designated Downloads folder or wherever your browser settings dictate downloaded files to be saved. And there you have it. You've successfully saved your Loom recording to your device. With these steps, managing and downloading Loom recordings becomes a straightforward task, allowing you to keep organized archives of your important content or share offline copies with ease. I hope you found this guide useful, and remember, Loom continues to streamline the process of creating and sharing video content, making it a powerful tool in your digital arsenal. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.